Looking for the best smart blender for smoothies that every home chef should own? You're in the right place. I've researched and reviewed the best smart blender for smoothies to help you blend faster, cook smarter, and save time. Before we jump in, don't forget to subscribe to Gadget Nest for the latest smart kitchen tools and honest reviews, and be sure to check the description below for updated prices and exclusive deals. Let's get started. Number 7. Ninja SS151 Twisty Blender Duo. The Ninja SS151 Twisty Blender Duo offers powerful blending in a compact, efficient design. With a high-speed 1600 WP motor and smart torque technology, it tackles tough ingredients without stalling. You get 5 functions including smoothie, spread, and nutrient extraction, making it ideal for a range of recipes. The 34-ounce pitcher is perfect for small families, and 2 to-go cups allow you to take your drinks with you. It's fast, reliable, and easy to use, even for beginners. The gray finish looks elegant on any kitchen counter. This blender blends with both power and finesse, giving you consistently smooth textures. It's great for morning shakes, healthy spreads, or quick snacks. Cleanup is fast, making it a favorite for busy households. If you're looking for a compact powerhouse with smart features and travel-friendly design, the Ninja SS151 is a top-tier choice for everyday kitchen use. Number 6. Ninja BN701 Professional Plus Blender. The Ninja BN701 Professional Plus Blender brings advanced blending to your kitchen with 1,400 peak watts of power. It comes with 3 smart functions for smoothies, frozen drinks, and ice cream, thanks to Auto IQ technology that adjusts speed and timing automatically. It's 72 ounces. Total crushing pitcher makes it easy to prepare large servings for family gatherings or parties. The dark gray color adds a sleek, modern touch to your countertop. This blender handles ice, fruits, and vegetables with ease, delivering smooth, consistent results every time. Cleanup is simple too. Just toss the parts in the dishwasher. Whether you're making a post-workout shake or whipping up frozen cocktails for friends, it's up to the task. The combination of strong performance, intuitive controls, and large capacity makes it a great value. It's a dependable, stylish appliance that streamlines blending while saving you time and effort. Number 5. AstralChip Ash01B Blender. The AstralChip Ash01-B blender combines high-speed performance with intelligent heating technology. Equipped with a powerful 1,200-watt motor and adjustable speed from 26,000 to 60,000 revolutions per minute, this blender offers unmatched versatility. Whether you're crafting smoothies, sauces, or hot soups, it delivers perfect consistency. Its 14 built-in functions make food prep simple, and the Keep Warm feature ensures your soup stays hot until you're ready. The 59-ounce capacity is just right for daily family use. Plus, the auto-clean function means maintenance is quick and effortless. With a durable black design, it looks great on any kitchen counter. Ideal for home chefs who want one tool for everything: blending, heating, cleaning. This blender does it all. From creamy vegetable soups to frozen fruit smoothies, the ASH01B handles it with ease. It's a perfect fusion of power and smart functionality for those who love variety in the kitchen. Number 4. PSID Smoothie Blender. The PSID Smoothie Blender is a powerful countertop tool built for serious blending. With 1,800 peak watts, it effortlessly handles smoothies, frozen drinks, soups, and more. Its 68-ounce capacity is perfect for families or meal prepping in bulk. The professional-grade motor delivers smooth textures with no chunks, even when crushing tough ice or frozen fruits. This blender combines functionality and sleek design with a durable black exterior that matches modern kitchens. Cleanup is easy, thanks to its detachable parts. It's designed for both everyday use and special occasions. Whether you're preparing a quick morning smoothie or making frozen drinks for guests, it performs with speed and consistency. With reliable construction and powerful features, it's built to last. This is the ideal appliance for those who value efficiency, strength, and simplicity in one device. From breakfast to dinner, the PSID delivers smooth results every time. Number 3. Crandy Smart Blender K80TS. The Crandy Smart Blender K80TS brings professional-grade performance right to your kitchen. With an impressive 2,200-watt motor, it powers through ice, fruits, and vegetables with ease. The 52-ounce container is ideal for family servings, and the built-in quiet shield minimizes noise, making your kitchen peaceful even during intense blending sessions. This model includes 4 preset programs designed for smoothies, frozen drinks, juices, and cleaning. The digital touchscreen makes operation a breeze, offering precise control with a sleek, user-friendly interface. Its removable lid adds safety and makes cleanup easy. Whether you're blending for health or entertaining guests, this blender handles the task efficiently. The modern black finish looks great in any kitchen decor. It's an excellent choice for those who want commercial-level performance in a home setting. From versatility to quiet operation, the K80TS ensures you get the perfect blend every time, without the noise. Number 2. Crandy Smart Commercial Blender K85TS. The Crandy Smart Commercial Blender K85TS is built for high-volume blending with a sleek digital touchscreen and massive 80-ounce capacity. It features a 1500-watt motor that delivers powerful performance for smoothies, juices, and more. With 3 convenient preset programs, smoothie, juice, and cleaning, you can blend effortlessly. Its intuitive interface makes operation simple for all users, while the removable cover enhances safety and ease of cleaning. The gray finish complements any kitchen setup, giving it a professional touch. This blender is ideal for families or small parties where multiple servings are needed fast. Despite its power, it runs quietly and efficiently. From icy drinks to creamy sauces, it delivers consistent results every time. If you're looking for a large-capacity blender with smart features and dependable performance, the K85TS stands out as a premium option that blends both functionality and aesthetics in a single package. Number 1. Ninja Detect Power Blender Pro. The Ninja Detect Power Blender Pro is a compact yet high-performance appliance designed to handle everything from smoothies to soups. With 1800 p-watts of power, it crushes ice, blends fruits, and mixes ingredients quickly and evenly. The highlight is its BlendSense technology, which detects ingredients and adjusts blending patterns for optimal results. You get a large 72-ounce pitcher for family servings and 2 24-ounce cups for personal use, all with a sleek black finish that looks stunning on any countertop. It's perfect for health-conscious individuals or busy households needing fast, smooth results. The compact size fits most kitchen spaces, and cleanup is a breeze. Whether you're prepping breakfast smoothies or party dips, this blender handles it all. Its powerful performance, smart technology, and space-saving design make it a must-have for modern kitchens looking for efficiency and style in one device. Thanks for watching today's top picks from Gadget Nest. If you enjoy discovering cool kitchen gadgets that make your life easier, don't forget to subscribe to stay updated. All product links and latest prices are in the description below. Don't miss them. Got a question or want to see a specific gadget reviewed? Drop a comment. I'd love to hear from you. Until next time, stay smart, stay inspired, and keep cooking with confidence.